Hey guys, today I'm showing you the Radiance Spin Care System. It's going to come with the spin brush, the Pumice stone, the large body brush, the exfoliation face brush, and the facial cleansing brush. This will be a collaboration with a company called Duvolle featuring the Radiance Spin Care System, and my skincare regimen is included, so let's get started. Again, this is the Radiance Spin Brush. It has an on and off switch. It's battery operated. I'm showing you how it's spinning without the brushes. And this is how you attach it. And then you turn it on. See that it is spinning. Do a close up. And as you can see, this device is battery operated. And guys, this is what I use to get off my makeup and oils, grease, dirt off my face for the day. Like I said, they're makeup wipes, and I use them for just to prepare my skin before I start my skincare regimen. And then I go in with my Deep Action Clean and Clear Exfoliating Scrub. I absolutely love this stuff. It gives such a minty feeling when you're scrubbing it on your face, guys. If you guys love that feeling, it's like a tea tree oil kind of feel, minty feeling. Oh my gosh, guys, I love this stuff. And you just want to use your Radiance Spin Brush and just scrub that right into your skin, exfoliate that skin, you guys. I really like this spin brush. It's not too soft, it's not too hard, it's just right. And what I like to do is detach it and rinse it off, because as you can see, there's all that dirt and stuff that's came off my face. So you want to wash that off and let that air dry. And real quick, I want to show you the large body brush. It can help with dry brushing, also exfoliating your skin. That's why it's larger, you know, and it helps with cellulite when you dry brush, if you guys didn't know. And getting back to my skincare regimen, you want to take all that exfoliating scrub off your face. I do mine with a white towel so I can see all the dirt and oils that come off. And now guys, this is the Ordinary AHA 30% BHA 2% peeling solution. If you guys don't know about this, I'm sure it's been on TikTok or any other social media site. It's a 10-minute exfoliating facial with a pH of, I believe, 2.6 or 3.6, one of those. I will have the links in the description box of all my products. See, it's like a red syrupy solution. It looks like blood to me, guys, but I love this stuff. And like I said, it looks like you're putting blood on your face. Guys, this stuff is really strong. I believe it's only recommended to use 2 to 3 or about 2 to 3 times a week. So yeah, it's really strong. I wouldn't recommend, if you have any sores on your face or anything, to put this on, because it will sting. And yeah, I just scrub this in my face. I would use it with the spin brush, but this stuff can be staining, so I don't want to do that. And yeah, you're gonna wait for 10 minutes. I'm just doing my little dance for the day. You're gonna wash this off after 10 minutes, guys, so you gotta let it sit on your face. So I use my washcloth. Yes, I use a white washcloth as well, so I have a bunch of stained washcloth. I don't recommend using white as a washcloth, but because yeah, it will stain, look. But you want to get all that stuff off your face, definitely. And then I'm gonna go in with the Barbaria Orange Sea face brightening serum. I got this from Walmart, guys. It is a vitamin C face serum. It's supposed to brighten up your face. I use it for, like I said, my under eye area because I'm trying to get it lighter again. Well, back to my normal skin color. So it's a dropper as well. All these dropper solution formulas, yes. I really like it, so I just put it under my eyes because that's the area I'm trying to brighten up. It did brighten up a little bit, but I may have to try something else to get it, help it get brighter. But I just lather that on, rub it in to my skin, just to give it a brightness. And then, guys, I know you guys know the glow recipe, the Plump Hyaluronic Serum that tightens up that face. This is another item that has been on TikTok. I absolutely love this formula, guys. I love it. Oh my gosh, the packaging is so cute. I even like this little pump. You just pump this little serum into your hand and you rub this all on your face and it just firms it all up, guys. So yes, go run and get you some glow recipe. They have all kind of different stuff, all kind of different things for your face, serums for your face, sorry. So yeah, I use this too. I got this from Influencer. I have a video on it. It was free, so check that site out as well. And yeah, I really love this stuff, guys. And last, guys, this is Nico Lips. It's a lip lightening exfoliating scrub. I got this off of Amazon. It's kind of a sugary, grainy feel. You guys can use a lip scrubber to apply it. I want to show you the consistency, and this goes a long way. I've been using this for a while now. It's just to lighten my lips up because my lips are kind of dark, and like I said, you can use a lip scrubber, but I just apply it with my fingers and I kind of just rub it in because my lips be looking dark, and this stuff smells so good. Oh my gosh, guys, I love this stuff. And I'll have all the links in the description box if you guys want to check any of these items out. A lot of these products do work. And that's my end of my video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you, Duvolle, for collabing with me on this Radiance spin brush. Guys, go pick that up. There is a discount of 70% off, so you guys can get it for $29. I will have the links in the description box. See you guys later. Bye. Peace.